Èkó, Àṣàdé 2021, oh yeah.
It's here again. Àṣàdé 2021 in Lagos State. Àṣàdé Worldwide Incorporated Canada, in collaboration with Lagos State Government under the Ministry of Tourism, Art and Culture. For many years, it has taken place in Canada. Now, it's in Nigeria. Lagos State is the next stop at Blue Roof LTV 8 Agidingbi Ikeja on Sunday 21st November 2021. On that day, we will launch the Youth Empowerment Access Center, where we'll be teaching the youth about our cultural artifacts. Our lecturers for that day are Professor Bayo Molola, lecturer for World Language and Culture, Howard University, Washington, D.C., USA, and Professor Ladipo Ajiboye, Professor of Linguistics and Yoruba Language, University of Lagos. Our topic for this year: how to use our cultural heritage to revive our economy. Entertainers and music artists with Shekere, Fuji, and Apala will be performing live on stage. Wait for it! The special guests that will grace the occasion are Alhaji Lai Mohammed, Minister for Information and Culture in Nigeria. Speaker for the Lagos State House Assembly, Honorable Mudashiru Obasa, Honorable Fatai Oluwa, Chairman Committee on Tourism and Culture, Lagos State House of Assembly, Honorable Solomon Bonu, Special Advisor to the Governor on Tourism and Culture, will be ground to welcome us. Pharmacist Uzamat Akimbele Yusuf, Commissioner for Tourism, Art and Culture, will be the host, and the Governor of Lagos State, Babajide Sanwo-Olu, is the chief host. Kings across Yoruba land will be present. Our direct lot is our attire for the occasion at a cost of 5,000 naira. Call 09060003104 for your own and for all the information you want to know about the event. Àṣàdé 2021, powered by Yanai Communication International Nigeria and Canada, under the directorship of Prince Olaniyi Oyatoye Babasha. Let's showcase and build the Yoruba culture with our wealth and power. You all are welcome and expected.